my thinking is how well the RXPX and the Ergolock fit your circumstances. Was that kind of like a no-brainer?
Yeah, yeah, it was absolutely a no-brainer. Between the other manufacturers, it seems like Sea-Doo was building a ski for me, so I fell right into it, and it was the perfect choice actually for me.
Okay. I've seen that you've had some partial mobility, or you have. I mean, you're able to have a little bit of strength to help keep you in. Is that right, or is
Yeah,
it
so I am incomplete paraplegic. So I
okay?
do have some movement, but they're not real precise movements.
Okay,
I can't walk, but I can stand up. I can bear weight on my legs,
okay. I've
and I
seen
can
that, and I
squeeze.
just wanted
Yeah,
to ask.
yeah. Like a lot of like people are like, man, like that guy can stand. Wait, he's not, he's not paralyzed. What the heck is wrong with him?
No,
But
no, no.
yeah, so I have to kind of give a description. There's two paraplegics, and one is an incomplete, and one is a complete. I'm fortunate enough to fall in the incomplete paraplegic.
Okay. So, but that allows you to use the Ergolock effectively in that you can bring your knees in and you can use a lot of that.
Yep.
Okay.
So the Ergolock really locks me in, and yeah, since I can squeeze my knees in, it works perfect.
Awesome. Okay. And that's kind of the thinking behind it. I was like, man, I mean, when the Ergolock was first introduced, 2012, and I just looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, okay, they've just normalized race level equipment. And then I see you and I go, oh my gosh, that makes perfect sense. I mean, that's perfect. So your relationship with the RXPX, let me back up. My experience with racers is that racers tend to kind of go wherever the wind blows strongest. So if next year someone makes something slightly quicker, everyone seems to just jump and grab onto something. Your brand loyalty is bifold. It's listen, no one is making an ergonomic system that fits me and meets my needs, and you have racked up so much experience on that platform that it's old hat.
Yeah, you're
Right?
right. That's
Okay. All
that's
right.
exactly it. You hit the nail right on the head.
Okay. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.